Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Sometimes we place order on 1688 Chinese shopping app, but when the supplier ship out the goods, there is no tracking record for logistics, and as a result of that, there is so much delay for that particular product. And if you really want to get a refund for that type of product, consider to watch video from beginning to end and see how you can instantly get your money back for any such issue. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. I'm going to click on here. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to profile. Then from your profile right here, next thing you need to do is to go to items on transit. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. I'm going to use this particular product right here as an example. This product right here, I'm going to use it. So what we want to do is to click on the product link. So I'm going to click on the product link. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. So just like what you see right here, this product here has been shipped out for a very long time by the supplier, but still yet there is no logistic tracking right here. And as a result of this, I'm going to simply place refund from this particular supplier. And for us to do that, we need to go back. Now, to start the refund process for this type of product, next thing we need to do is to click on here. So this is going to pump up. Next thing we need to do is to click on here, proceed with the refund. It's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to switch to refund right here. Having selected the refund, next thing we want to do is to click on here to select the product. The next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed. Then it's going to take us right here. So right here, what you need to do is to enter the logistics fee right here. So I'm going to simply enter 18 yen. So I'm going to click on here now and enter 18 yen. So having entered the 18 yen, just like what you see, everything needs to be correspondent with this, just like how this is correspondent with this. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here, choose the reason why we want to ask for the refund. Then we have to simply switch to goods not received right here. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. Then we have to simply click on here also. Then right here, we need to choose these particular options right here. No valid record for tracking. So I'm going to click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then right here, we can upload a proof right here. I'm going to click on this camera icon. Then I will look for the screenshot of the particular item. Then right here, I have to select the screenshot. So this is the screenshot. Right, so this is the screenshot right here. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to click on here. So just like what you see right there, the first screenshot and the second screenshot, and make sure the amount here are tally with what we have right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to submit your refund request. And just like what you see right here, and this is the refund request resolution. And in less than 12 hours, if the supplier and you can see there is an alert will be sent to the supplier also, and in less than 20, an alert will also be sent to the supplier that you have paid the refund, and this is the refund procedure right here. And if the supplier did not reply to the refund within the period of this particular time, the system will automatically refund your money back into your Alipay, and you get your money completely like this. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply ask for a refund for any product that has not been fully delivered, or supplier had delay, or no tracking logistics record for a particular product on 1688 Chinese shopping app.